Earth, our cherished home and often referred to as the Blue Planet. It owes its name to the vast expanses of water covering its surface, a rarity in the known universe. Oceans, seas, and rivers, often hailed as the cradle of life, teem with an astonishing array of diverse and captivating creatures, perpetually shrouded in mystery and fascination. Yet these once vibrant ecosystems are now turning into silent graveyards, as the relentless decline in population and loss of habitats increasingly dominate the narrative. The culprit behind this? Overfishing. Once regarded as boundless reservoirs of marine life, the world oceans are now confronting an imminent danger. This phenomenon occurs when fish populations are harvested at a pace that exceeds their natural replenishment rate, resulting in a depletion of stocks and disruption of entire marine ecosystems. In the current times, overfishing stands as a foremost environmental challenge, casting profound shadows over biodiversity, food security, and economic stability. For centuries, humanity has drawn sustenance, livelihoods, and cultural significance from the oceanic depths. Yet the advent of modern industrial fishing, compounded by surging global demands for seafood, has sharply escalated the pressure on marine ecosystems. From colossal trawlers with cutting-edge technology to practices like wielding heavy nets along the seabed, our fishing methods have evolved to harvest unprecedented quantities, often with detrimental consequences. So what are its repercussions and how can we ensure the survival of our oceans and the myriad of life they support in face of escalating overfishing?
Overfishing can result from various fishing practices that exceed sustainable limits, leading to the depletion of fish stocks and ecological harm. Here are some common overfishing practices. Unregulated or illegal fishing. Fishing without proper permits or adherence to regulation. Use of unsustainable gear types. Gear that causes habitat destruction or catches non-target species. High-volume fishing with large vessels. Catching a large quantity of fish rapidly with industrial-scale operations. Bycatch of non-target species. Accidental capture of marine mammals, turtles, or birds. Overcapacity of fishing fleets. Too many vessels for sustainable fishing. High grading and discarding of fish. Selectively keeping only the largest or most valuable fish and discarding the rest. Destructive practices like blast fishing. Methods that cause widespread environmental damage.
Overfishing is caused by a combination of factors. One major cause is the high demand for seafood worldwide. As the global population grows and more people develop a taste for fish and other marine products, the pressure on fish stocks increases. Additionally, advancements in fishing technology have made it easier to catch large quantities of fish, leading to overfishing. Mismanagement of fish stock, including loss of biodiversity and dispersion to food webs. The lack of awareness and illegal fishing that depletes marine resources. The government subsidies that encourage overfishing. Finally, market dynamics. The fluctuation in market demand, prices, and consumer preference can drive shifts in fishing effort, leading to overfishing of certain stocks.
Overfishing can cause significant harm to the environment, including depletion of fish population, disruption of marine ecosystems, and loss of biodiversity. Let's explore each of these consequences in more details. Overfishing disrupts marine ecosystem by upsetting the balance between predator and prey. For instance, if predators are overfished, it can cause prey population to explode, impacting the entire food chain. Study by Dalushi University warns that overfishing could wipe out many fish species by 2048, leading to a loss of biodiversity. This means that within 24 years, the fish we commonly consume today could disappear. Overfishing poses a significant threat to coastal communities worldwide, as it diminishes stocks and undermines their primary source of incomes and food. This can result in economic hardship and social instability in affected areas. Overfishing can severely impact fishing industries, causing reduced catches, lower fish prices, and higher operational expenses. This leads to financial losses for fishing companies and related businesses, jeopardizing the long-term sustainability of the industry.
Overfishing is a real problem and responsible in some cases of 90% of reductions in available marine life. Here are some solutions to tackle this problem of overfishing. 1. Implementing and enforcing international fishing regulations to prevent overfishing in shared waters. 2. Promoting sustainable aquaculture practices to reduce the reliance on wild-caught fish. 3. Supporting research and monitoring programs to assess fish populations and set sustainable catch limits. 4. Encouraging the use of innovative fishing technologies that minimize bycatch and habitat damage. 5. Establishing marine protected areas to provide safe havens for fish to reproduce and replenish populations. 6. Educating and raising awareness among consumers about the importance of choosing sustainable seafood. By combining these efforts, we can work towards sustainable fishing practices and protect our ocean for future generations.
In the ocean of life, overfishing is a rising tide that threatens to submerge our existence, declares Jacques-Yves Cousteau, a French researcher and one of the most influential figures in oceanographic research and conservation. Studies on overfishing highlight the ecological, and socio-economic impacts of this unsustainable practice.
550 زيد 10 560 570.
Recognizing the crucial importance of ocean as valuable resources, it is essential to take responsible measures for their long-term preservation. By acting now, we can protect marine biodiversity and ensure the sustainability of marine resources for future generations. Overfishing can be overcome by adopting responsible fishing practices while maintaining a delicate balance between humans' needs and the well-being of the oceans.